Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MTP-B145G-9AVDF. Let's get started. This is a new Casio watch. The bracelet, case, and dial are all in gold color. Tell us what you think about this color. Would you wear it on your wrist? It features a date function and has a mineral glass. The case width is 35 mm, and the watch weighs 82 grams. The water resistance of the watch is 50 meters. Inside, there is a Miyota GM12 mechanism. Both the case and the bracelet are made of stainless steel. The battery in this model lasts approximately 3 years. How do you like this watch? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? It has a practical mechanism for opening and closing the watch. I really like this type of bracelet. I have a small wrist, around 17 centimeters. I don't wear watches larger than 38 millimeters. I love this watch. I could wear it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us in the comments.